Vaibhav, Tushar, Muskan, Harshada, and thousands of children like them are now learning well. ITC, one of India's largest conglomerates, joined hands with Pratham Education Foundation to launch an initiative called Read India Plus. To begin with, a baseline study was conducted to assess learning levels and schooling status of children aged 3 to 14 years in 13 locations spread across 9 states of India. In order to rationalize the size of a village, a cluster of 250 households was demarcated. Hence, in each of the locations, 50 clusters comprising of about 12,500 households gave a total of about 1,62,500 households that were surveyed. Survey results showed that for children aged 3 to 5 years, 27% were out of the preschool net. Of the children that were enrolled, 52% were in Anganwadis. For children in grade 1 and 2, more than 55% could not read even words. For those in grades 3 to 5, over 40% could not read a simple grade 1 level paragraph. And more than 55% could not do a simple subtraction sum with borrowing. For children in upper primary grades of 6 to 8, over 35% could not read a simple grade 2 level story. And almost 60% could not do a simple division sum. These results showed that learning levels are really low in the areas surveyed. Based on survey results, 4 interventions were decided upon: Balwadi and Anganwadi, Bal Vachan, Read India, and the Upper Primary Program. The Balwadi program is for those children aged 3 to 5 years who are not part of any existing preschool network. In the Anganwadi program that is carried out by the government, a Pratham instructor is sent to conduct preschool activities. The Bal Vachan intervention is for children in grades 1 and 2 to help them build foundational skills in reading and number understanding. Read India focuses on improving the reading and numeracy skills of those children in grades 3, 4 and 5 who are not even at grade 2 level competencies in reading and math. The upper primary intervention seeks to build advanced reading skills in a child's first language and foundational skills in subjects like math, English and science. To understand these programs, let us visit one of the locations, Ranjangaon. This is one of the Balwadis run by Pratham. Here, trained instructors prepare children for school by helping them become better learners. Curriculum is based on the developmental needs of children below 5 years of age. In many parts of India, there is little awareness about the significance of early childhood development. And hence, this initiative plays an important role in building awareness within the community. In Bal Vachan, various activities are conducted to familiarize children with letters and words and encourage them to read. Number recognition and counting activities are conducted to build interest in math. Acquisition of reading and numeracy skills in early grades would put these children on the path of reading to learn. Daily 2.5 hours of Bal Vachan classes, which entail fun-filled activities, are conducted in the school or the community. Read India is carried out through Learning Camp, which is a method different from the routine school sessions. It involves an activity-based model called Kamal, which means combined activities for maximized learning. This teaching-learning method starts with the formation of small groups of children based on their learning levels as opposed to their age or grade. Children perform various language and math activities suitable to their learning level. This method helps children achieve basic reading and math competencies through a combination of activities involving listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The upper primary grades are a place for children to gain more knowledge on critical subjects like science, English, and math. The school curriculum was designed assuming that the children have acquired basic knowledge about these subjects. However, many children move to higher grades without much familiarity of even the basic concepts. Hence, to bridge this gap and to raise the learning levels of children, this intervention was planned. Activities include helping children read and comprehend a text in English and become fluent readers in their first language. In math, children are taught everything from basic operations to fractions. In science, Pratham's Vigyan Mitra helps children understand scientific concepts by organizing science fairs and encouraging a learn-by-doing approach. This builds confidence and helps bring clarity on various scientific tools and concepts. These programs together are a step towards helping children realize their capabilities and to have a brighter tomorrow. Sunhera Kal.